Hello, guys. Welcome back to another weekly installment update on my road to retiring by 40. I wasn't going to make an episode this week, primarily because I've been busy this whole week. So I've been busy at work. I'll make a quick update. You can skip this, it's probably boring to you. But at work, my team is starting a new project. And if you don't know, I'm a software engineer. So what we're doing is meeting with business and meeting with architects to line up everything and make sure we're coding what we're supposed to be coding essentially. And then personally, I have a website that I am going to be releasing an update for either this month or early next month. And I've been polishing it up, making sure it's good before I release the update. And also I've kind of been updating my room a bit, my living situations. I've been buying some furniture and making sure, building it and kind of cleaning up my room and all that stuff. So I've been busy all throughout this week, and I didn't really have enough time to kind of think of a topic to talk about. But besides that, we can kind of jump in and see how much money I lost this week, and it's quite a bit actually. So let's get to it. So tech has still been going down for the most part this week, the week of September 4th through September 11th, I believe. So uh, I think we're gonna keep going with that trend for at least one more week. Hopefully not, because I'm tired of losing money. Right? I want to make money. But okay, so basically though, I have a quick update on my Robinhood account. So the way I like to trade is something, it's more of a swing trade, right? Where I see patterns between the day, intraday, within the day, and then I kind of take action upon those trends that I see and make money that way. But since this what's it called, bubble, if you want to call it that, I've been doing a lot more day trades, more consistent day trades, and Robinhood only allows you to do 3 day trades per week, and if you exceed that before your last day trade expires, they hit you with something. So I got hit with that something, and as you can see here, I can't do any more day trades until December the 5th, which means that what I usually do, right, if I notice that I think, for example, Apple is gonna go down for the day because I just think it will. I kind of see a pattern, or I just kind of have a feeling. What I would have done is buy a put for that day, and then sell it at the end, or when I make some profit off the put, I would have sold it, and then I just continuously kept buying Apple as it's going down, cost averaging down, right? Basically what I explained last video. But I can't really do that anymore until December the 5th. So I don't know how that'll affect my portfolio. Probably badly, because like I said, that's how I make most of my money. I don't like holding stuff for a long time. I especially don't like holding stuff for like over the weekend. So right now I'm kind of this is making me uneasy because 3 days, 2 days technically over the weekend, there's a lot of stuff that can happen, and if you're holding stock that gets for a company that gets bad news over the weekend, then you're kind of screwing yourself over, and I just don't like that. I like being in control. So typically what I do is just buy a couple shares within the day, expecting it to go up, and then sell it either at the end of the day or maybe hold it for 2 days, 3 days. But I don't like holding it for this long. And yeah, so right now that's basically what I'm forced to do, because I can't day trade anymore, but also because the tech stocks just keep going down. So cost averaging down will I'm doing cost averaging down to kind of get the average of the all the shares that I own down. So then when it goes back up, I make money faster. I recoup my losses faster, and then I make money faster on top of that because I will have a lot of shares at a cheaper price. right? So yeah, I guess what I'm saying is like I don't like this style that I'm forced to this investing style that I'm forced to kind of do now with the the tech stocks going down and then me not being able to day trade. But I guess I'll adapt. That's fine. The other thing with that is since I guess I don't really mind holding if it's if a stock is going down. I typically am good at holding it, right? So as it's going down, I buy and then hold it for a couple months and then sell it. I've done that in particular my Vanguard account, but now it's getting a little bit weird personally. This is getting into kind of a little more what's the word? Uh, I don't know what the word is, but basically I'm kind of predicting the future, right? And what I'm predicting is that since most of the stuff that I invest in, primarily Apple, as you can see here, and like Amazon and stuff like that, these companies are in America, and even if they're not in America, they will kind of fluctuate depending on the American current state, right? America kind of like has a big weight on the economy, on the global economy. So what I'm worried about is the upcoming election because I don't know. I think and this is getting a little bit political, but I think if either party, if either side, or if either presidential candidate wins, the stock market might not do too well. So I don't want to keep anything around that time. So I guess what I'm saying is I don't mind buying and holding and cost averaging down as this tech quote unquote bubble is happening, but I also don't want to hold it too long and have it kind of go over the election period and then probably lose money. So in summary, I don't mind that I'm losing money here too much because I am cost averaging down and once I mean stocks can go down forever. That's just just like they can't go up forever, they can't go down forever, and for the most part a stock goes up in value. Um, but I also kind of have a time frame where I kind of want to get out before the election. So hopefully the correction or quote unquote bubble uh, ends and I make my profit back before the election. But other than that, I don't mind this fluctuation. I'm gonna continue buying some Apple and whatnot to cost average down and make my profits later on in the future by kind of taking a loss right now. I'm okay with that. Having said that, I have since I can't really day trade. I bought a put, but so we again usually what I like to do is kind of hedge my bet with puts, um, and I can't really do that because so what I do is if I notice that within intraday, Apple is gonna go down. I notice that it might go down. I buy a put, and then sell it at the end of the day because I don't like holding it. I don't like holding put options for really long, and make my money that way, or kind of just cut my losses. But I can't do that, so I've been kind of hesitant on buying puts. I did buy a call for $160 because it was cheap for January 15th of next year. Hopefully that prints, but again, the election, I don't know how long I'll keep it. If I'll even keep it till the next year. I don't know. There's a lot of uncertainty right now, and there's just a lot of I don't know coming from me. Besides that, let's move on to this week. Um, so this week, I beat my record in losses. So that's always nice to see. Let's see. So I'm still up 104% of my goal. So I wanted to. My goal I think was around $38,000 total in all my accounts this year, which I'm beating. So that's good. That's all I really want. The only thing that I see that I don't like here right now is that my weekly average is super low now. This just tanked it, and now it's actually below my average weekly gain, which um, isn't good. I don't like that. Yeah, I just don't like that. But I mean, you kind of have to take a little bad with the good. So we'll see how fast I start making money with my cost average down plan. Um, yeah, I don't think there's many things to talk about here. Just that I lost a lot of money. Uh, Good luck to any of you guys trading next week, and hopefully we can get out of this quote unquote bubble fast and we start making more money. All right, guys, have a good weekend. See ya.